Stepping into 2025 with a strategic success plan, empowering leaders to win all economic challenges. Successful 20th consecutive year. Visioning 2025. One day, a comprehensive workshop. DACMA 2025, organized by Wisdom Trainer International. Conducted by renowned leadership and personality training specialist, Master Trainer Dr. Kuma Iddamalena. Motivating the participants to strengthen themselves with a strategic plan to face 2025. Reintegrating business, professional or personal life irrespective of all challenges. Popularizing the concept of yes, we can. Let us not leave our motherland. Let us build a country. Let us build ourselves. Visioning 2025, DACMA 2025. Subjects covered. Flashback of 2024. Learning lessons from the past. Setting goals for 2025 and beyond. Training you for continuous improvement to succeed in life, profession and business. Step by step, planning of the day, week, month and the year with a long-term mission. Learning mental and physical strategies to stay in momentum throughout the day. Following the 5-finger theory. Balancing physical, mental, financial, social and spiritual aspects in life. The year of memory power and digital wellness. One-day English medium workshop, 5th January 2025 at Shangri-La, Colombo. Call now to book your seat 011-4301-301 or 077-8401-301. Wisdom Trainer, Kuma Iddamalena Leadership Academy.